Hey YouTubers, D-Doc here, 16th of December 2012, with probably the last cold start of the 74 F250 Ford. Last cold start of the season. It's getting cold out here, it's about 35 degrees or so. But let's just give this truck one more try, see if it'll start up. In cheap sandals. Hey, that was close. Well, you know the story. We're going to have to throw a little gas in that carburetor. Let's weasel our way out of here and try to get that done. There's some petroleum. Let's climb our way back through here. Yeah. See if we can't get these sandals to do their thing. It's full of try. No, you can't see it, but I've been having some flames shoot right out of that carburetor in there. Right. Got some belt squealing. It's been quite a while since we've had this truck fired up. It's kind of cold out here. Well, there you have it. Last cold start for this truck for the season. I don't know if it was the sandals, the white socks, or the toe scrunching, or maybe that belching fire out of the carburetor, but we've got it started. I love it.